top stories. Chief Minister N Biren calls for uninterrupted Sangai Festival, asks all concerned to shun habit of calling bandh-blockade. People's Day, Hill Leaders Day held together at Chief Minister's Bungalow. Government's endurance must for sustenance of handloom handicraft works in state. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur. Now the news in detail. People's Day and Hills Leaders Day was held together at Chief Minister's Bungalow today. Chief Minister N Biren said bandh and blockade delays development. He appealed to the people to refrain from creating any obstacle during the upcoming Sangai Festival. He asked to stop using bandh blockade as a medium to fulfill various demands. The Chief Minister further said four-wheeler owners found driving without wearing seat belt and two-wheeler riders without helmet will be arrested as a part of the new traffic rules and regulations for the upcoming Sangai Festival.
People's Day and Hill Leaders Day was held at Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Talking to media persons on the sideline of the program, Chief Minister N Biren said the people of Manipur should give up the habit of calling bandh for every other issue. It doesn't only delays development but also creates bad image to the visitors. The Chief Minister further informed that the government will make strictures to smoothen the traffic flow in the wake of Sangai Festival.
Driving license Hana Piramim Yamsa Fanam Fakalaga among the Togimam and Tenabirmani. License should about the quick Kakatana suspend Togdana, the driving license Memantana Piram, Sami Samaga Fakatana Togram, to 60 rules Kara strict dog and a calip. And then Mayanda Piltoning was with a car, Toriba, Garimasa, Toriba, Coliba Mayamse, Mayamaru Bigano. In terms of the police na traffic na kay law enforcer kani car thoba the bail father ba adagi bike motorbike tong bada koi helmet upta bugumba koi khara enforcer kani madu waro bigunu koi gi isa safe tong na bani.
Talking about the issue of Ramsa teachers, the Chief Minister said even as the appointment of the regular teachers under Ramsa was made by the state government, Ramsa is a central project. There has been some irregularity of fund sanctions from the centre. As such, the state government is failing to distribute salary for several months due to shortage of fund.
Ramsa gi si the senadi Ramsa si schemes project wena do da koi gi matam do recruit to bokanda regular winner recruit of Silom. Matamatam scheme Adaki Pashala Aga Pigabase. Maduram, Aduna Tataruk Taret Kumbagi, Adaki Pesa Tarktaba. Madu Inahan Education Minister Ne, the Commissioner Education Ada Targa, Que ISRD Ministry, Wadi Sanare, Atuba the Moita, Ani Hungidi, Taru Nabagiana. Aduna Ramsagi was asking this way in Apple Town in yes, Hana Mamang the Soigre, was it Lakataba Potadi? Whatever the government have, I quite the labor, I quite the Tawanga Matabu today, we am positively Togani, Aduna Osaki strike, ban, Adagi agitation, Akwigi, Sangai Festival game, Birgatare, Papandagi Lakador foreign countries, Mayamdagi Lakadoriba, Mayam Si and Birgamado, strike ban Kagate, the Wimhota, anytime Unasi. Na my education minister kasi unari high ado drakan le dai kasi unasi aduga feasibility kari legi do torga soft dominasi na adu so ya appeal ta ho gaya.
On the other hand, Sharmila Anal, a widow from Chandal, expressed utmost gratitude over the Chief Minister's swift action in which the government gave her a job under the Die-in-Hana scheme in connection with her husband's death in an ambush which occurred at Bishnupur in 1995. She said it took only 2 months for the government to provide the job after she drew the attention of the Chief Minister regarding her difficulties.
Adumana like hidabsi 95 like hidabni embusta tinungaida. So we don't matter sida I honor got lapis pang pag the batam no isa amasi atobasi ta maga haptani katani papa like hidabsi. Adu again isa si pigli kind of water singa si pau pag the ba. adu aina miyam gi numisida khoi sat biren gi manaksida sangsar kumatamda mana harau na 95 tagi hujik pau bakari phangdabra haida ga bana ai boya pira ngasi di ai tabak phangjakare.
As part of the People's Day and Hill Leaders Day, the National Program for Prevention and Control of Cancer, Diabetes, Cardiovascular Diseases and Stroke (NPCDCS) organized a screening program for diabetes and BP patients free of cost at the Chief Minister's Bungalow. The screening program was organized under the aegis of National Health Mission and Directorate of Health Services.
Minister Karamshyam launched the souvenir of Sangai Festival at Manipur Press Club today. The festival will start from November 21st and will be held for 10 days. The event was organized by CAF and PD Labour Welfare Association. Speaking at the launch, Minister Karamshyam said the souvenir will greatly beneficial in showcasing the state around the globe.
Manipur sakta the big crabs of winners na achobo diagram lawrgani highway thachbo wakhalon the maijaba phawjabo rina chimbi rami ribala piri bukri mo ai sari tarafani Manipur sarkar ni tarafani khalko bongdo chali. Thank you.
Attending the event as special guest, Director of Lamjingba Group Mutum Rakesh mentioned the importance of self-employment by using one's own skills to contribute in the development process of the state.
Sangan musibiduna iram da masibu khanbana mayam masuru kaminasi lahawai tuksareba lamjing group ki mai ke risu koi thona pana hawai haksang yam ka koksaraga imale ba ku kanbana mayam mathen longmin raga coaching chupa sa khomina dai koi lo drobe ara thodang ni hai wa ko je moi sem na thubiraga iram dam jagina utar ka thokina mayam da ina apel tawjari.
The Manipur International Textile Expo 2018 Manitax, which began from November 5th under the Directorate of Handloom and Handicrafts Government of Manipur, has concluded at Manipur Trade and Expo Center at Lamboi Khungnangkhong today.
The 10-day Manipur International Textile Expo 2018 has concluded at Manipur Trade and Expo Center at Lamboi Khungnangkhong today. Speaking on the occasion, Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Y. Khemsan said the government needs to possess a great deal of endurance in trying to sustain handloom and handicraft of Manipur. Even as the male counterparts of the state are involved in this field, only the women are taking care of business in the state. Chairman of Manipur Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation Limited S. Rajan, Principal Secretary of Textiles, Commerce and Industries P.Y. Pai, Chairman of Hospitality Committee Manitex Elambam Jiten, and Director of Handloom and Handicraft Lamli Kamme also attended as main guests at the closing function.
Amidst the high security measures being taken up in connection with the upcoming Sangai Festival, a search operation was conducted in the surrounding areas of Kaibul, Churachandpur, Bishnupur district. The drive was conducted by a team of commandos led by OC Vaipai under the supervision of additional SP OPS Manihar of Bishnupur district police. Around 315 persons were verified during the search operation, which started around 5 in the morning and continued till 6:30 a.m. 6 residents without proper ID, including a bailout, were taken to Kumbi police station for further verification. Children Cultural Center is going to have a year-long celebration in connection with its Silver Jubilee. A 3-day festival titled Angangi Kumai is going to mark the beginning of the celebration from November 18 at MDU Hall.
President of Children Cultural Center Dr. Lamabam Gojen said the festival Angangi Kumhai will have various cultural programs including recitation, Khunung Ishay, Kabui Jagoi, Maitei Ishay Jagoi, Harihara Jagoi, Pena, Maibi Jagoi, Das Avatar, Mime Play, and 2 children's play titled Haudong Lamboiba Amasung Pebet and Uchek Langmaidong. He was addressing a press conference held at MDU Hall today. He said the main objective of organizing this festival is to promote culture and educate the children through such festivals as a medium. During the year-long celebration, Children Cultural Center is going to organize a state-level children theatre festival as well. More than 7 groups of children theatre groups are expected to take part in the festival.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. The All Manipur PH Department Dye and Harness Appointment Demand Committee has called off its 24-hour bandh that it scheduled to impose from 6 p.m. today. The bandh has been called off considering the difficulties of the people. This was informed in a press release issued by Secretary of the Committee, Muhammadin Burhanuddin, today. The agitation will be resumed on November 25th. Burhanuddin added, in an unfortunate incident happened at Sangai Maninglekai near FCI Godown last afternoon, a girl drowned while she was trying to save her younger sister who fell into a pond in an attempt to pick a ball which fell in the pond. The incident happened when the little sister Sucheta Yambim, 6, drowned while trying to fence the ball she was playing with. Her older sister Yunishka Yambim, 9, also fell into the pond while trying to rescue her sister. The neighbors saw girls drowning but could not save only Sucheta. Deceased Yunishka was a student of Little Flower School, Imphal. She was studying in Standard 4th. The school authority announced half holiday to mourn the incident, it is reported. JAC of Aboy Yumkhaibam, who found hanging dead at juvenile home Takel, demanded for an independent inquiry committee by 16th of this month. Addressing a press conference held at Manipur Press Club, convener of the JAC, Abdul Latif, said a memorandum has been submitted to Chief Minister regarding the incident and the protest will continue further if the government fails to fulfill the demand.
Sanction Jerisi, Makoi, government here, juvenile home dial pattern lames, 6 the Angang trial to lay never had it. Ado Kangaudana, Director Hunduiki, Ayupung Taretka, Minataret Pans, or of now, for the Ahans the Bow, Irapa. Pirakuda, Yehuda, I said like a year, the Sume, Toria, like a later, Toria, like a later Mississina. Tongan photo si ani phangje ba khoja photo si ani phangje sige mit amati sin khunjan ba ma duga sin khunjan da ba ma sige photo ani si phangje.
In connection to the coming 40-seat assembly election of neighboring state Mizoram, election campaign of NPP is getting stronger. Election campaign for the party has already been flagged off yesterday in Mizoram by Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar. Health Minister, Government of Manipur L. Jayantakumar also took part in the campaign. Child Alliance Se Dosti, a 7-day campaign kicked off at Thoubal district yesterday. The campaign, organized by Imphal East and Imphal West, was conducted at Airport Road today. JSA on development of Jiri-Tipaimuk Road warned that there will be further protest if the Jiribam-Tipaimuk Road is not constructed. The decision was taken at a meeting held at Ichel Club of Jiribam, Dibong. Talking to media persons, General Secretary of the JSC said, even though the JSC has submitted memorandums to the concerned authority, no work has been done so far. Dusts from the said road are affecting health of children living in the area, he asserted. Group Center CRPF Langjing Manipur State TB officer in collaboration with RNTCP staffs held a tuberculosis awareness program at CRPF Manipur and Nagaland Composite Hospital. Inaugurating the campaign, IGP of CRPF Manipur Nagaland sector Rajesh Kumar said, the campaign was held to sensitize the people about TB as it is still prevalent today. Around 300 people took part in the awareness program. A team of 40 people comprising 37 players and 3 officials left Jiribam for India Cup Open International Taekwondo Championship 2018. The championship is organized by Kachar District Taekwondo Association and Kreda Bharati Kachar District Committee at India Club Indo Stadium, Assam. Secretary General of Taekwondo Federation of Manipur, P. Olin, who is participating at the championship for the first time, requested the people to support the players. The Election Commission has appointed Ashish Kundra as the Chief Electoral Officer of Mizoram to replace S.B. Sashank, who had caused controversy in the poll-bound state of Mizoram. Kundra, a 1996 batch IAS officer, was posted as the Commissioner General Administration Department, Higher and Technical Education in Mizoram. He was appointed after the poll panel asked the state government to forward names after it decided to find an alternative to CEO S.V. Sashank. S.H. Sashank had reportedly sought a deployment of additional Central Armed Police Forces CAPFs in the northeastern state and complained to the EC that the state's former Principal Secretary Lalnung Mawia Chuango was interfering in the poll process. Thousands of people took to the streets and picketed in front of Shashank's office for 2 days since Tuesday. The protesters under the aegis of NGO Coordination Committee had also given an ultimatum for Sashank to leave urgently. Sashank left Mizoram on Wednesday after being summoned by the Chief Election Commissioner in Delhi, which resulted in withdrawal of the agitation. Now let's have a look at some of the top newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express, Children Park on the Anvil. United Naga Council reiterates rollback district's creation stand. Congress stresses on importance of opposition. The People's Chronicle, Howland fight tense as Myanmar opposes construction. Police crack NHIDCL fraud case. One Health. United Naga Council okays affiliation of 5 tribal bodies. ATU opposes. Chief Minister announces mega children's park plan. The Morning Bell. Appropriate action promised against erring authorities in youth suicide at Juvenile Center. Congress observes 129th birth anniversary of Nehru. BJP government destroying legacy of past leaders. Congress. IPR Minister Biswajit hands over financial assistance to journalists. Imphal Free Press. Chief Minister promises amusement park. Minister praises Nehru on Children's Day. Police arrests Executive Director of Delhi-based construction company on graft charge. Renovation of Imphal Yaripok Road will commence next week. Manipur Mail. Competitions will have good impact among young students. Governor. Children's Day observed.
Before we wrap up the top stories once again. Chief Minister N Biren calls for uninterrupted Sangai Festival, asks all concerned to shun habit of following bandh-blockade. People's Day, Hill Leaders Day held together at Chief Minister's Bungalow. Government's endurance must for sustenance of handloom handicraft works in state. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.